Derek here. I'm outside of Wageena's kennel. She's our bald eagle. We've had her for over a decade, and we're just about to move her into her winter enclosure. She really does not like this time of year. She doesn't like being picked up or grabbed up, and we'll go over some basics and how to do that safely, both for ourselves and for her. So for this momentous occasion, I will be wearing these wildlife gloves. They're very thick leather gloves that prevent any harm being done to me, and that's because Wageena, as a bald eagle, can exert more than 400 pounds per square inch of pressure, which is definitely enough to do some damage. Make sure she doesn't get through this gate. Oh, you're fine. So what I'm basically just trying to do right now is corral her. And do it safely. I don't want her hurting herself. Yes, yes. Oh, you're fine, you're fine. Oh, yeah. Strong girl. What I have her here is I have her talons immobilized. I have her head down, and this is basically to allow gravity to do much of the work for me. And I'm not putting any pressure on her chest. And that's also why I have her held here with this hand, my left hand, because I've got the wings immobilized. She's tucked in there just like a baby. Conventional wisdom has it that we can also use like a towel or a blanket to cover the eyes. That can work, but in her case, it just seemed to aggravate her even further. So I just let her be able to see where she's going. Once again, to reiterate, we don't put her face or her hands or exposed skin anywhere near those talons. 400 pounds per square inch. Yes, yes, you're a powerful girl. And you also try to avoid the beak if you can. Letting gravity do the work. Oh, and here we can demonstrate how she has indeed lost part of her wing. That's her right wing from the elbow down. And we believe that happened while she was in the nest, because she's always had an injury. Having this right here just helps to provide her with a little bit of warmth if she decides to bed down, though she'll probably just go up on the platform here. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.